So
I caught Leslie doing a project without a camera.
shame on me. What was I thinking? So our sweet friend Tanya was out thrifting and antiquing, and she was in Houston at a shop and found this gorgeous Victrola. So I am going to dust it and polish, just put some wood oil on it. While I get to work, I'm gonna let Chad tell you all about this gorgeous machine.
Yeah, so this is really cool. If you can't see the graphics in it, all the inlay is perfect. And I don't think, is that a sticker or is that inlaid?
It is it's gotta be a sticker, it's raised.
Okay. It's perfect. It's flawless. Like normally you find them and all the brass plates and the letter writing and etching and stuff is just gone to crap. This one is perfect. So what a find. It's a model 215 Victrola Wurlitzer edition. It's a special edition. They only made 100 of these in 1919. These were considered a mid-upper tier Victrola, so they're not the highest end ones, but they're definitely not, a shelf model. These were definitely meant to be furniture pieces. It's got a cabinet in it as well for storage, and then you open the front doors for the horn, which is behind those two sets of doors Leslie's kind of standing in now. But it is absolutely, yeah, like if I open these doors, this is the horn. So the horn actually wraps under the table and goes down and out. So when you play it, you open up the doors.
Can you see the horn?
Yeah,
no,
here.
No, angle it down a little bit.
I'll angle it down. Here you go.
There we go. Here. There. You can see a little better.
So down here is the horns, and it's just a gorgeous, it's in really, really great condition. It's got one little problem with the leg. It's not broken, but it is splintered. But guess what? I work with wood. I can fix that. Like it just needs to be wood glued, a little epoxy on the outside, good sand, and then treated for where the lines and the cracks were with some, the color markings to bring it back to the same color. You'll never even know it was damaged. So it's super solid. I mean, even as it is, it stands on its own. So the leg's not a full structural problem. You just can't like drag it around the floor. You will snap it off. But why would you drag this beautiful thing around the floor? All right, I'm gonna let Leslie get back to cleaning. Wow, it's already so much of a difference.
I'm gonna let you lower this. Show me how, because you lifted it and go.
Yeah, it's
so
basically...
this is not uneven. It's the floor that's uneven. That's why it's wobbling.
So this, it just catches the latch there, so you lift.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the floor. Whoa, hold on.
As Shelley would say, this is some thirsty wood. It's
look at the difference between they looked identical to start, but look at the difference now that we've added just a little bit of wood oil in there to rehydrate this wood and bring it back. Oh my God.
And this will be a process.
Yeah, it'll take multiple times of doing this because this is very thirsty oil. This is what happens. Yeah, thirsty wood. This is what happens though when you basically take an antique and just throw it in a corner and never touch it again.
So I think that this has been very well cared for. I just did this door compared to all the others so you can see that. I just think it was probably in a home where it sat against the wall, and it's 106 years old if it was built in 1919, and this is 2025, so I think it's in incredible condition. Could it use some wood oil? Absolutely. Could it use a little dusting? Absolutely.
Yeah, and even those little handles.
But I use oil and I dust myself every day, so it's called shower and lotion. So
I would like to process those little handles and get them back to bright brass. Because those are brass.
A little bit of corrosion on that
yeah.
One. Teeny tiny bits of corrosion.
And that's the thing with brass is the patina can look great, but it can go from patina to corrosion if you're not careful. And so since we see a little corrosion, we can't just let the patina stay. It's got to be fixed. And so we can fix it and then let it patina. Granted, it'll take years for it to do it, but it'll be worth it because you won't get detail degradation from corrosion. So it's just kind of like an airplane. Like if the minute you see corrosion, you've got to fix it. Otherwise, you're going to lose it. So there is a little bit on one or two of those handles, but you don't have 2 shiny handles and 4 dull handles. So you might as well do them all and let them repatina at the same time.
Yeah. Just trying to see what I could get off. Not much of it's coming off.
Yeah. It'll have to
get
be
some-
etched off, yeah.
There's just some treatment. I'm sure there's some.
Yeah, it's an electro treatment. There's a chemical you can put it in. I have some.
Okay.
God, it just looks so different already. Wowzers.
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow. She's starting to shine a little bit. She's still a little dull. Eventually, she should gloss right back up like she has fresh, varnish on her.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like my violin. Like, as soon as you clean it, like, she glows. And so, she should look wet. Just like Leslie put that on right now. It should stay looking like that after a while.
Yeah, she'll need a couple coats of hydration. She's pretty thirsty. I mean, look, already, like, and this is the second coat on this one door.
It'll take a week or two to let it do it, because you don't want to dump it all on it too fast, or
Oh,
you'll.
no, of course
Yeah.
not. I'm just saying.
That's
it's
for
gonna
the
take multiple
people
coats.
watching.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't want to dump it on there too fast, otherwise you'll saturate the wood rather than letting it like become part of the wood. The wood will suck it up and become one with it. But if you do it too fast, basically you've done what bad things do. When you put water on wood and just let it sit there, it'll become soft and brittle, and you don't want that.
The oil can will rancid or become sticky and end up collecting even more dust and doing more damage, and then you have to like clean all the oil off. So yes, very light coats, let it absorb, and it'll be over several weeks. We'll get her rehydrated. It'll just take time. But she's looking good.
It's looking real good. Not a bad first coat.
Ooh, get off that knee.
Did you hurt your knee?
No, I just was crouched for too long and cutting off blood flow. Shit. Whoops.
These floors could probably use some oil too.
Oh yeah.
They need to be stripped though. There's a lot of build-up dirt on them.
Well, there's that. And there used to be carpet in here or linoleum or something.
Yeah,
but
there's
that's
leftover.
all glue.
Yeah, there's leftover glue residue, so we got to fix that. But we got to get these floors leveled before we do that. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time, because you never know what's going to happen until you level it, and then it's fun. All right. This is a process, so we're going to leave you here with this part of the process as Leslie finishes out the last side of the Victrola.
I need to get the back.
All right, we're going to leave you here with this process as Leslie finishes the last side of the Victrola. And like I said, this is a process that's going to take 2 or 3 weeks to do, but we'll be doing this every time we're here, giving her a coat of oil. So I hope you enjoyed watching our little Victrola back to life video here. Isn't she pretty? Let us know if you think this Victrola is pretty.